Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Kendra, and make sure to stop and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified every time that I upload a video, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I am trying to get this video to 15 thumbs up. Okay, so today, in honor of National Bird Day, because the calendar told me that it was National Bird Day, I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow look using the MORPHE X James Charles palette. And yeah, so for this look today, I'm going to be doing a look based off my favorite bird, which is a bluebird. So I will be doing a blue eyeshadow look with a cut crease and a winged liner. So let's just get right into the video. So today I'm going to start with this Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. And I'm going to prime my eyes, and I'm not going to be doing any foundation or anything on my skin today. It's just an eye look, so I'm going to be putting this on my eyes, and then I'm going to be putting concealer on it using the Lock-It Concealer Cream. Yes, so yeah, I'm going to time lapse it, and I'm going to do that really quick, and then I will be back. So I have primed and covered my eyelids, both of them in concealer, so they are all primed and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get my palette, and I am using the Morphe X James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette, which you saw from yesterday's video. If you watched it, I just got this, and I did some looks with it yesterday, and so I'm going to do another look with it today. So this is the palette. If you haven't seen it, or if you didn't see that video, this is what the palette looks like. That's all the colors, and it has this little clear cover on it with all the names. Okay, so today, since I'm going to do a bluebird look, I'm going to use the colors. I'm going to be using the colors Hello, Playground, and Cola. Okay, so those are those three looks right there: Hello, Playground, and Cola. And I'm going to be doing a cut crease, and then I will be doing a winged eyeliner. So right now I'm going to go in with, I don't know where my brushes are. I'm going to get my brushes out to go ahead and put Cola on, and then I will be back. So I have all my brushes. This one I'm going to be using, you probably saw it yesterday in the video. It looks like this. It is a little green, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off. And it is a BS Mall brush. Yes, it does have a crack in it right there, but I'm going to be using this one for the color Cola, which is the darkest color, which will be on the outside of my lid. And then I will use this brush, which is a Zoria Blending 7BSC brush for the color Playground, which will go at the front of it. And then I will use this BS Mall brush to do my cut crease, and this brush to do the color Hello, which is the lightest color, which will be in the cut crease. And then I'm going to use a Zoria brush for the winged eyeliner, but that will be at the end. So right now I'm going to go ahead and take this like cover thing off, and I have my mirror right here, sitting right over here, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the color Cola and this brush and put it on the end. So I just did the color Cola on the outsides of my lid, as you can see. And now I am going to switch brushes. So I did Cola this brush, and now I'm going to be going in with this Zioria Blending 7BS brush, which looks like this. And I'm going to be going in with the color Playground, which is a lighter blue than this one, and I will be putting it all right there. So I have blended the color Playground in right there and right there, and then I blended in the middle and I just mixed the two colors. And now I'm going to use this BS Mall color to do the cut crease right in the front there. So I am also using the Lock-It concealer cream that I used in the beginning to do my cut crease in my eyes. Okay, so I have done the cut crease and I got some on my eyelash, I know. So I'm going to quickly let this dry, and then I'm going to put the color Hello on there, which is, hold on one second, sparkly light blue color right there. Once this dries, and then I will be doing the wing and then the mascara. Okay guys, so now that the concealer is dry, I'm gonna go in with this BS Mall brush that's just flat, and I'm going to be putting the color Hello on the cut crease. Okay, so this is the look without the wings and without mascara. I just put the cut crease, I put the color Hello on there, and then I quickly blended it out because it wasn't super blend whenever I put it on there, and now it looks much better. So yeah, now I will be putting the wing on, and I'm going to use this H2O proof Wet n Wild eyeliner on with this Zioria concealer brush, which, as you can see, I've done it before. This is all chipped, so I don't know what the rest of it says, but it's a Zioria brush. So quickly I'm just going to do my wing, and then I will be back. So I just did one wing on this eye, and I will show you right now what that looks like. And I did really good on this one. Now I'm going to do this one off camera. And so I have done both of my wings on both eyes, and now I am going to blend them out a little bit, and then I will be back, guys. So now I have blended them out, and now I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and then put mascara on, and then this look will be complete. So I just put mascara on, and yes, I do know that there are spots on both my eyes because some blue jays do have spots in the lighter part of their fur, so I put dots on both sides just to represent that. So I have mascara on the bottom and the top lashes, and I'm not going to put false lashes on because the only ones that I have are very big and bold, and I do not want to use them for this look. I really love this look. Every cosmetic thing that I used in this video will be linked in the description below. Also, the Morphe Extreme Charles palette that I used will also be linked in the description below, including every color that I used. So yeah, this is the finished look. Definitely try this look at home. It's super pretty, and I will insert some pictures right now of the close-up. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Definitely try this look out at home. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more makeup looks, and I hope you guys like this look. I definitely like this look. It turned out perfect the way I wanted it to. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day and subscribe.